Hey, Mahnamed MemberStack here and welcome to MemberScript 231. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit form checkboxes, and instead of getting a true and false value, you actually get the label or the value of what that checkbox was. Okay, so in practice, what this looks like is if I have a form and I go through my normal submissions, so my submission data will look something like, my submission data will look something like this, where I have my email, okay, and then I have insurance, which is grouped in a particular group, and then add-ons, which is grouped in a particular group. All right, so no true and false values. All right, so inside of Webflow, what you need in order to make this work is MemberScript 231, and it should look like this. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to that code should be in the description below, and if you're watching this on the MemberStack site, then you should have already seen the code. You can either add this site-wide on a specific page depending on your specific use case. On the page itself, you are going to have your form element, and then the form div itself, you are going to add the attribute of data MS code form filter, and then whenever you are adding checkboxes, you are going to group it in another div, so a checkbox group. What we're doing here is just mimicking the behavior of radio buttons. So for the checkbox group, you're going to give it the attribute of MS code section, and then you're going to title what all of those checkboxes under that section are. So in this case, all of these checkboxes are for insurance, and then the next checkbox group is going to be add-ons, for example. And then you're just going to make sure that all of your checkbox labels are accurate, and that's it. You now have a way to make sure that your form data doesn't just show true and false, which can be a little bit confusing when you have to send this data to an external source. Okay, so if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out in the Slack 2.0 channel. Bye.